Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to freeze your Bluevine debit card. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time. 60 seconds. Let's get into it. So the first step is to log into your Bluevine app on your mobile device. And then from the dashboard, go to card management or tap directly on your debit card that's listed in the app. Then select the option freeze card or lock card. Now confirm your choice, and this will immediately block all new purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions with your card. Check your transactions tab to ensure no unauthorized charges are posted, and if you see anything suspicious, report it to the Bluevine support immediately. Keep your card frozen until you locate it or request a replacement. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. You can check out our other videos if you want. See you in the next one.